lovely morning or lovely afternoon or lovely evening. This is a daily vlog of things that we have come across on a daily basis. The KG sound is something that a lot of Iraqi speakers in the beginning level of English have a difficulty and issue and problematic pronunciation with. So in order to troubleshoot this, you need to internalize the difference between K and G sound. A lot of people I hear say, I will come back instead of saying I'll come back. So we'll do a little bit of training for that in the listening section afterwards. In this listening exercise, I want you to repeat after the speaker the words that you will hear. So I want you to repeat them around 50 to 60 times in order to train your vocal cords to produce this sound box. If you are able to make this sound box different, you'll be able to say the difference between back, I will come back, and I will come bag. You see? Bag is the bag that you carry on with you. Back is when you return to an earlier stage. This is something you have to keep in mind. Very important. This sound makes a huge difference for English speakers. So you have to train yourself to produce. Very important. Keep it in mind.
Back, bag, pick, pig, clock, clog, dock, dog, duck, dug, frock, frog, muck, mug, black, blag, block, blog, brick, brig, broke, brogue, buck, bug, crack, crag, beck, beg, burk, berg, chuck, chug, cock, cog, flock, flog, hack, hag, hock, hog, jack, jag, knack, nag.